What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, say the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my people, as I see the title, what they are enough to talk about the general, real boss, Vybz Kartel, you understand? Addy, whatever you want to call it, man. Teacher, you don't know the thing go. So, yesterday, on Thursday, August the 8th, my people, you don't know, say, Kartel, him went live, you understand? On Isaac Buchanan page over there up on YouTube, on TikTok, on TikTok, Context Matters, you see me? And you don't know a lot of creators, them straight on them YouTube and things. So the live was basically on TikTok, my people, Isaac Buchanan thing. Big live, man, you know what I mean? Big live. And you don't know Isaac Buchanan, that's Kartel, liar. So based on the fact, and you can hear the voices in the, while live stream was going on, you can don't know, say, Sideman Turks, you understand that Vybz Kartel, baby, him girlfriend, him wife, fiance, you know what I mean, whatever you want to call it, spouse, anything, you understand was in the house. Also, Vybz Kartel brother from another mother, you understand, Chance was in the house also, you see me? So, during this live session, Vybz Kartel do spoke about a lot of things. So, you want to watch the thing, my people, go up on Isaac Buchanan YouTube page, him have the full clippings up there, you understand, go over there on TikTok, you can watch the full clippings. So you also have a platform, you know what I mean, where them share it on like a website and thing where you can even download it and thing. You don't know the thing, you see me, and you can see the whole thing, give a reactions towards it and anything. But one of the main factors is making headline now, and is when I saw some news article been posting this thing about Vybz Kartel, my people. You understand now, me have to say, boy, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. You know what I mean? Me have to just say, when it come on to Vybz Kartel, my people, the man them just want any little thing them can find. If you just stir up, them are going to say, Vybz Kartel this, Vybz Kartel that. See? So, during this live session, my people, you don't know them to take a break. And while them take a break, the live was basically still on. You understand, the stream was still going on. And you can hear Vybz Kartel says something towards, you know, basically sides man Turk. You know what I mean? Side them was Turk or, you know what I mean? And people, when him say something, you know what I mean? Other people are say, yo, different reactions to it. Because them are saying him threatener and him this and him that and him that, you know what I mean? I don't know what really occurred, what really caused, whatever happened, my people. But I've seen news article like our nation wide now, 90 FM, that a Cliffs use thing there. Fling up this now, quick. Kartel appears to threaten Fiance during TikTok live. You see me? As me saying, anything they want to find for run with against Kartel, they do. Which, I don't know how them consider a threat, my people, because I never hear Kartel say, yo, me I go murder you. I never hear him say, me I go kill you. I never hear him say nothing like that. You understand? Every relationship you can take off, and you can tell me a perfect relationship. Well, forward the perfect relationship, the right in front me, let me see it. Zin, Kartel a big man, the woman a big woman. You see me? Before, you see me? It comes up. Before, you know, it forward some people. Kartel woman, she don't know who she a deal with. You see me? And the next thing before me even go deep into that, you know who is Vybz Kartel? The king of controversy. Vybz Kartel is the king of controversy. You see me? So people, you go on Kartel page this morning, who you look, you see him post in a jersey, in a bed. Not the woman? I am woman, right? Did you hear she come forward and cry and say, how he threatening me, he gonna kill me, I'm scared of him? You people, you all don't know. You know, judge, on the talk all of these things. And me see the comments about that, this up this man, all the time when I do it. But Kartel cares zero about you, because from Vybz Kartel career start, my people, especially from him say Gaza, controversy surround him name. And every time controversy forward, people, it always extend more and more, and it make him more famous. And I don't know how more famous Vybz Kartel can be, because if famous never Michael Jackson, and that's the truth. You understand? So, all I have to say is, my viewers and subscribers, controversy sell. You see me? And that's all around Vybz Kartel name. Controversy. You see me? So, as me go back to the part now, the man says something to the girl, something happened, you see me? And the man just says something, yo, no played me, whatever. Vybz Kartel is not a pastor with the choir preach, you know. Vybz Kartel, you know, look a soft, look a, you know what I mean? Vybz Kartel is Vybz Kartel, you know who is Vybz Kartel. So you know, if you talk to the woman, how him talk? Did the man not check the woman? Why you not run with these narratives? So the man checking the girl. And not because you not going to say NEWLINK, your Gaza fan, you support Kartel and anything Vybz Kartel do you back. It's just reality, bro. Like, me, myself, have relationship before. I know me that say, your girl not played me in the way I do. You see me? Stop around, put me in. You know, say you never played me in a girl. I want to you. Eh? Big, your girl. More mash you up in I want to you. Deep inside, I ain't gonna mash her up. Come on, man. You think I want to go prison, I want to go jail? But it's just a reaction. Now my girl don't know, in the past we are talking about. She don't know all the thing and she said, babes, come on. Yeah, you know what I mean? As man, listen me, and I ain't not caring as man, we stay and we stand above. The woman voice does not be louder than your one. When you say, hey, she will say, hey. You know what I mean? Your voice must always on top, meaning you is a man. God made us to be a man. So the reaction of how the man talk, I don't want to run with the narrative, but it sell. It make the life sell. You see it? Now everybody are going to run one, go over, they go watch it, don't it? When you run, go watch it and hear what Vybz Kartel say. Because if the man did just regular forward and talk something, you know, you see me? And say, yo, such and such just an interview. Yeah, man, you know what I say, what you know what you want, no, no one, you know, that's true. Controversy sell. Vybz Kartel and them woman, good, them great. You understand now? Want to consider a threat? You know what I mean? You can't put it out there as a threat. Nationwide, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Free advertisement, same speed. You see me? But you don't know the thing. Vybz Kartel and them woman, great. A lot of remarks in the past about the man got to take up different nation, different nationality because him name Vybz Kartel and this and that. 2015, when the man was there behind bars, now we in 2024, my people, when him release. About 9 years, almost 9 years. This woman was there in his life, traveling back and forth from over UK to Jamaica. Where were all who don't want to run off from the mouth? Who don't know nothing about Vybz Kartel and Shorty or what went down during their relationship? Why the man decided to move on? Do you all know? But why you not go judge and not go forward and about Kartel, go back to Shorty and this and that? You don't know the man life, bro. So I not see the sense of you forward and attack these things and spill these things. You see me? Not because the man is Adija, Vybz Kartel, Gaza boss, world boss. Remember, he's a human being too. And him have a heart just like me and you. And him have feelings too. You see me? I say, the man a 48 big old man. If he say the man don't know what decision he want to make in his life, him don't need me, you, to tell him what to do. The man a big man, bro. So, someone does, yo, someone a sick my stomach, G. Big man thing, yo. Like, on a sick my stomach. Me attack people who just out there speculate and chat shit. And me attack some little clowned bloggers who just run with things. Bro, you know see your favorite one of them flap out. Your favorite sir this, sir that, sir shit. You know see that flap out. Because all they do is run with things and chat things and them don't want to tell one bag of lie and one bag of rumors and people get to find out them how corruptive they are. You see me? But as me say, the man good. The man and them woman good. You understand? So look, let me say, man, people, yo, on a joker. We all know who is Vybz Kartel. What you consider threat nationwide? What you consider threat? What violence threat in the talk? Well, I never hear Kartel say, yo, me I go for my strap. And me I go for my knife. Me I go dash, yo. But I tell you, so, when they come on to Kartel, brother, on a run with anything, the man just come out, not even a month good. You know, not even 3 weeks or 2 weeks good. And look there, on the find things that just blast out there, run without there. For that, what the world I see now, look there, as Vybz Kartel come out, him start checking this, him start checking that. Let the woman speak her mind, man. Let your father speak, but I just saw no go as me telling you, when they come on to Kartel, any little thing you get from the media for run with against him, you all gonna do that. But Vybz Kartel forward, and the man make sure post him woman. On the day, today, Friday, the 9th of August 2024, that live went yesterday, you know, you see me? And the woman in her jersey, I look there, she had to take out my jersey, and I will see her next picture post bars cover and face in her in bed. That is Vybz Kartel, controversial sell. And this is why, that's why I tell her, say, the man can't get no more famous because the world, every corner you're going at the world, Every continent you go up and you say Vybz Kartel, what? Them know who that you talk about, the teacher, him, that man, Vybz Kartel people. Me can't tell you this. Me can go to me prove this several times. All people, you understand, don't get there, feel away when I said old people, but people up in them age. Me just go to and say, you know, say Vybz Kartel, go, that's a lie. The Gaza man there, yeah man, the one that full of tattoo, yeah, he come out, and me can call some name. Some of the favorite name. Them don't know who that. Them don't know who that when me there up on the Turk side. You know much of them when me see on the favorite. On the biggest name on the say around dancehall. Forward and they flop. Nobody no go there, nobody no know them, nobody no want to see them, bro. Big man thing. Enough of them forward, yes, and them flop. They carry them on a local club where they have around there, so. And them flop. Serious thing, they never can post you up. We don't even know them forward in them place, a big man thing. And make them say Vybz Kartel and see. All the granny pan walking stick I go forward. Me I tell you that. All Papa I go take him wheelchair. You know, and I go forward. I tell you that. So we not talk about Vybz Kartel. You know what we not talk about. You see me? And as I say, me not do them thing for likes or ratings from Kartel nor nobody, but I just reality I will speak with mine. You don't know, me tell you this morning, I rate Vybz Kartel, and if you know the history, you will know why I rate Vybz Kartel. But you don't know the history, but who know the history? Because there's a few people who know me personally, I know the history. Why we say Vybz Kartel and why we rate him and respect him. You understand? But you don't know the thing, go. I one team of people and I one dream and I one scheme. You understand? And just big up on yourself and I more love, more respect and more blessings. And thank you for the love, the support, the like, the share and every comment. Peace out my people and just stay safe and just do the right thing. One team, one dream, one scheme. Blessings, big up. Attack. Peace out.